Thanks for joining us again. In our last video, we showed you how to turn a lead into an opportunity. Now let's talk about building out this opportunity. Starting here, it's pulled over information from our opportunity creation. So what we'll start with is our end user. A lot of times it's the same end user that you would be bidding to. We can add an opportunity type. And then we'll come over here to our service type. Our service type are preloaded service types that your business is using. So we'll start with the existing ones that are already in the system. We'll add an electrical. And you can add multiple service types as well. Go ahead and add those in. Now that our service types are added in, what I would do now is go ahead and add my sites. Now creating a new site is simple, or you can add in an existing project. Once we're done there, we can head back to our summary page. And we created and started our first opportunity. Stick around for our next video where we talk about bidding.